my check. Everything looks speed check. All right. So high time frame is key. So we did take out the all-time highs. Like trying to be like I guess trying to be bearish within that pullback was definitely unlikely to see. But now that we literally just kissed all-time highs, I'm curious. Wait, did we? Hold up. What's the high here? 26,884 high here. Oh wow, we did. We literally just kissed it by half a 3/4 of a tick. So it's gonna happen. Two things gonna happen for me. Like that's gonna really determine the trade for today. Either this 4-hour basis is gonna hold like we're seeing it right now, or we're gonna, let me just put this on the lower time frames, or we're gonna disrespect it and go lower. But for now, it looks like we're holding, so it's very unlikely to start seeing. Like the thing with all-time highs is you don't really want to try to catch the reversal, which is I'm not trying to at all. I'm just trying to catch a quick little move. Like my brain is just not really well. ICT students aren't really just, no, let me not say that. Most or some traders aren't comfortable with literally logging this still all the way in such a premium, but we're just so strong that the market is just, you know, telling us what it wants to tell us. So we're not going to try to reverse that, but it would be nice. We did take out the all-time highs. The only reason I would be looking for shorts is after we take out we tap all-time highs again, or we check out Friday's high. Like literally tap it. But it's gonna come down to two things for me, like the opening, which is literally just now. Either if we get a 5-minute change of state, I would not be mad in taking all this. Can you just see like how beautiful this resistance, low liquidity resistance is? Right here. So that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm not gonna risk too much today. Like I just hate losing on Mondays. Well, sorry, I hate losing pretty decent on Mondays. Like I don't want to take a huge hit on the weekend and just start trying to recuperate that throughout the week, which is just not my type of style. I rather just like take a little minor loss, minor paper cut, and then eventually try to think. But right now, guys, I am trying to look for shorts, quick short-term shorts, and whether we come down here and then go higher, like it's gonna be it's really just a scalping type of market right now, and I'm okay with that because I know what I'm expecting and I know my expectations shouldn't be too high, like, you know. But then again, I've realized that like most drops are either happening towards like the beginning or the end of the week, like the quick true like displacement slower, but those are very, very unlikely. They do happen though, but when they happen, they're freaking crazy. Like, yeah, but again, I'm not gonna try to catch the bottom. I'm just gonna go for my little thing, my little risk to reward, and get out 101, whatever. So right now I am seeing that YM is rallying while ES are somewhat staying in consolidation. This rejection looks nice though. Like I said, I'm really only looking for shorts today, guys. Like, we could technically go up again and take that Friday high and all-time high, and you know, but just the way my mind is really set right now, it's like, bruh. And like most Mondays, we do take out Friday's high, low or high, depending on what the profile is, and then we just technically consolidate for like the rest of the day until Tuesday, Wednesday we begin to really truly start moving. So with that knowledge, it's just like I'd rather just not risk. I'm only gonna risk maybe like 50. I haven't traded like in 2 days, guys. 2 to 3 days, I believe. I could actually check real quick top step, which by the way I'm gonna log into. So I literally barely been trading this weekend. Not because I couldn't. Well, not because I don't want to. Just like, well, I kind of don't want to either. But it's mostly because I have a job, so it's like I just gotta be very. I just started working, so it's like I just in a way I just have to put my little shift into the work right now, and then rather once I get used to it, eventually, obviously, I could start. Wait, what? Whatever. Hold on, let me just wait. What the hell is this? I'm fixing my setting, guys. For ugh, what what is this? Ew, brother, ew. Hold up. I'm going back to my layout, guys. Alright, we're good now. Oh, what the hell is this, brother? Give me a sec, guys. Let me go to the 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour. Okay. Alright, we're in this, guys. So real quick, sorry about that. Last week, let me make the screen bigger. Like I said, guys, we're barely risking anything, bro. These markets are so fucking crazy right now. It's like I'd rather just not put too much risk, right? Rather, once we have a true continuation or true, like, bro, once we have a true direction, well, we kind of did it, but I kind of missed it. But I'm not afraid of missing it anymore, like I used to, like a few years ago. So right now, I'm just working on eventually, you know, trying to scalp. But you guys can see, I did not trade all week yesterday. Well, majority of the week I did trade thingy, but I started working on Wednesday, I believe. So it's just why I haven't. And then I worked on Saturday as well. So, and then Sunday I was off. So I was literally working for like these past 3 days. Well, yeah, I started Wednesday, Thursday. Didn't work Friday, I believe. Went Saturday, and then I didn't work Sunday, and then I worked today. By the way, WrestleMania was fire. It was cool. Yeah, pretty dope. Okay. Let me put this on the side here. Again, whether we want to retap all-time highs or whatever it wants to do, I'm not gonna be completely against it. As you can see, I'm like volume bands are like one of like my weakest type of strengths right now. Like it's not something I put so much emphasis into it. Even ICT said himself, volume bands are like the weakest forms of imbalances because they could be retapped as many times as they would want to, and as you can see, we're doing it right here right now. But it's a form of FEG. It's not an actual. Well, it is an FEG because it's an imbalance, but it's not as strong as a fair rally gap. You know, it's literally where the bodies don't interact or close or touch, whatever. So like right here's another one. So yeah, I mean, I don't really put too much emphasis into these right here if I'm being really honest. But there's some people who do, like especially on a daily. Like maybe on a daily, but that's only if I already have a confidence of if I'm going to go higher regardless. For example, if I have resting lows. For example, I'll give you like example, like right here. You see like right here, right? These are equal bodies for me. So this is really a strong draw on liquidity for me. But let's just say down here and on the daily or something like somewhere around here, there's a let's just say it's like let's pretend. Oh, we could just pretend this is like a volume banner, right? Like what I just explained, or you know, let's make it all bigger. Let's just say this. So then I would pay attention to this already, but because of that, my main priority was liquidity and you know time session liquidity. And then I would start like, oh, okay, cool. There's a volume balance, so I might consider like a partial there too if I have one extra contract, or if I'm already good up in the green week, I'll just close it there. But like for me to like try to pick reversal points from volume balance is not like my strongest set. Yeah. Right now, what would be freaking dope is if we take Friday's high and we have a previous day high, SMT, and then reverse. Amazing. I would probably still take E. I don't know why, but Lumi's been getting me more into ES than NQ. Like NQ been especially last week. I've been seeing people crash out because of the wicks on the micros and then on the minis. So I just be seeing people crash out left and right. I'm like, oh shit. And I'm out there just watching like the market just like do its thing, and I'm just watching and like, oh shit, people crashing out. I'm just like, oh shit, gotta go to work. But whatever. It's just funny to me. I don't know why. It's really funny. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now, guys. I'm just really technically waiting. Like I said, we also have this, like guys, we also have this weekly, like see this weekly new week opening gap. We just took out buy side, so if 950 comes and yeah, I was gonna say like that. Like I will likely take a trade slower. It's probably gonna be like my only trade if I'm being honest. Let's just see power of 3, the candles. But I don't know. Like I kind of want to wait for 10 o'clock. Yeah, I kind of want to wait for 10 o'clock, really. Yeah, like to me, like this would only look good if I'm in like in a 4 hour or something, you know, like something interesting and like in an obvious PDR, but I'm not in it, dude. So it's like I really don't want to try to catch it like right away. Let's get 3 minute. Let's hit 30 minute. Yeah, we had a 30-minute sweep. 9:30 here. Where's the opening range gap? Oh, that's a just. That's, oh no, it's not. Let me see. Closure to open. Yeah, look like we already tapped into the lower half, the lower fourth quadrant. So it's pretty looking. Like I said, guys, I'm not really trying to look for bulls today, but if it comes to that, then I mean, I'm probably just not gonna trade. Like for now, I'm not experienced enough to like be like, oh shit, yeah, like let me switch my biases now. Like I'm not the experienced. I've hated it worse when I'm right. Okay, let's just say I'm down for the day, right? Like I'm bearish for the day, and then I switch to a long, right? And then that's wrong, right? And then the real short played out. But now instead of having one L and then break down the other half, now I'm fucking down two, well 1.5, and then I'm done for the day. It's like, bro, like, and now my idea still played out, you know, and it just pisses me off more. It's just really, like that's what really makes me crash out. So I'd rather just fucking rather I apologize. I'd rather just wait. I'd rather just wait and if I take an L short, then I'd rather just wait for another L. I'd rather take another trade with an L if it's gonna be short again versus trying to short L, reverse switch biases, try switch long L, and then I'm like I can't even really I gotta reduce my risk so much to the point where I can't even trade it like as confident anymore because of the previous two L's. So it's like I'd rather just wait, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That is the nicest placement, but I'm gonna just wait, dude. I am just gonna wait. I think it looks nice though. Like I said, we did tap into it here. The lower quadrant. To me, this is just not gonna look too good to try to short. Like, if you're a 1 minute trader, go for it. I'm personally not gonna do that. Let me see if we have an SMT that, like with an internal or something. Yeah, I mean, it would be pretty cool. Like I said, I'd rather wait till 10. Like, if we're gonna take it and then go lower and then SMT with this one, then obviously this is gonna be like really clean to continue shorter. But if we're not gonna do that, then I'd rather just not really try to rush the trade because I gotta go to work or something. So I'd rather just wait, guys. I'd rather just wait. I'd rather just wait, guys. We're also above the midnight, the new week opening gap, so it's like, bro, we could come down and tap half of it and then continue going higher. Ooh, in Q, yeah, we did have a shift on the 5 minute, which is looking really clean for me. Nice shift. Here, not quite. I'm probably still gonna continue ES trading ES shorts, just because it moves clean in my humble opinion. But we'll see what happens.
Hunters, our new Huntrix meal is now at McDonald's.
With Namyan McShaker fries, 10-piece chicken McNuggets, and a drink. Oh, plus 2 new sauces.
And sick photo cards.
And it's totally better than Saja Boy's breakfast, so pick our meal.
At participating McDonald's while supplies last.
What the hell? Nice shift, which we did have a shift already. But whether it's gonna really be a true one, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till 10. I would wanna. I'd rather just wait for the second leg, maybe for M5. So something like this. Hold on, let me just show you guys. So to a point where something's like break lower, retaps it, and then lower. That's like my ideal type of short. So I'd rather see this leg break with displacement or something, and then do something like break somewhere here, you know, and either enter from the fair value gap or something. Just keep it simple. I'm not gonna try to. And then obviously look for a short somewhere here, and then stop loss probably just be here at the body or something above 930, above the fair value, above the CIZ. So you know that's what we trade looking like. What it look like if plays out. We do have a 5 minutes is, so that's already looking pretty good for the bears, but we don't have that on ES yet, so I'd rather just be a little bit more patient. And we haven't had it for as well for YM, so I'd rather just wait, bro. Let me see SPX. SPX. Okay, fib retracement. OTE SPX. Okay, so we haven't even tapped to 50% of that. Interesting. We haven't hit 25%, so we might retrace higher, which is fine. Like I said, I'm not too upset about it. I just don't like YM. It's way too bullish. I would need some sort of SMT, bro, like for sure, to feel comfortable trying to. It's a balance, so if we could break through that with displacement again, I would probably be looking for shorts. Again, if we want to go high for Friday's high and then create SMT, like that's cool too, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna just wait for my levels to be, you know, in sync, or the markets at least to try to show me. Okay, so we about to tap into SPX soon. It's 25%. So this is what I have on other charts, guys. Literally just SPX, YM, and seeing what they want to react to. We're above 930 again. I'm probably gonna wait till 10 and see what he wants to do. Oh, nice change of state, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'd rather just be low weight. I'll rather wait a little bit. I'm not gonna just get in from the 5 minutes. I would only get into it if I'm tapping like clear previous day high, previous day low. You know, like something obvious, but I don't like it. I'm just gonna wait a little longer. Especially ES 2-3. Okay, so far it's looking nice, but I'm just gonna wait a little longer too. Okay, again, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna say on the 5 minute. If we could break through this low now, but I would have to take, in my opinion, take this look high. This place lower. I'll consider that as a thingy now. But I really want to see ES and stuff. I'm just gonna wait. That's the key to the trading success. Just wait. Just wait and see what the market wants to do.
For procurement managers, Granger is the go-to partner that helps keep your healthcare facilities ready for patients.
Yeah, I look too it looks too strong here. What I'm thinking about waiting right now is waiting to see how 10 a.m. opens. It's just so hard to try to like catch this reversal, dude, and especially because it's fucking respecting this 4 hours. It's easy for me to go with the trend. I'm really gonna just risk so little on the long. It's not even funny, bro. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna see what 10 a.m. does, dude. Cause we're just failing to really do anything. We have minor SMTs here versus what low is this? 9. Okay, I do have that. I'm seeing this, but it's just like, dude, it doesn't make sense for me. Should I turn on my camera? Wait. Where's my handsome self? Whoa, hold up. Let me clean the camera real quick. look better. I look better without it. Oh shit. Yeah. I don't know. I think we might want to go for it again, but yeah, I'm not into this. If you guys want to take that short, go for it. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. I'm gonna see what 5 a.m. does or something. Like, I just don't like this SMT at the low. It just doesn't show me any weak signature. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I just don't want to thingy. What time is it? 9. Strong, bullish. Yeah, bro, I don't know. I really don't know. What is this thing doing? Why am I just straight up bullish? We just filled already to fit the new week opening gap for ES for YM. So I mean, we already did hit 62% OTE of SPX. So again, I mean, if we could remain intact with this and then go lower, I might consider it. Still looking for shorts. Let's just say, okay, definitely. Let's just say at 10 open up, right? We manipulate and go lower, bro. I'll probably take that. The question though is, how much am I willing to? You can tell YM is probably the weakest one. We're below all-time highs. I would definitely want to see closures. You know, stop loss here, whatever, and then target 830, 930. Well, I want to be below 930 as well. So that's what we are below 930 on Yankee. So I don't know. I kind of might take low key thingy. Yeah, I mean, shit. Cheat. I definitely want to wait. I want to wait here, guys. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, okay, so 9 a.m. opened up again, guys, just now. 10 a.m., sorry. I'm gonna mark down the 10 a.m. price open. Right there. 10 a.m. is right there. So we can manipulate that high and go lower. I'm on that, guys. I'm not ready to come. It's just so freaking annoying, bro. All time highs is it's a. Oh yeah. I'm gonna see, guys. I'm gonna be patient. Guys. Let the price. If you're not sure, just wait. It's literally that. It's that simple. Just wait. Just wait, man. So yeah, we could get a closure or something. I might consider it. And if we break with this low, I might get into it. Let me just see what my thingy would be. I don't like those equal low that are formed, but I mean. Rejection block is here, but we'll see. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, if we get a closure below here, I'm gonna get in. Below here. Let me see how much I can calculate though. I'm seeing this as a reason to go lower, but obviously I'm gonna wait and be 100% patient because I don't like this rejection already. I mean, you could wait for that one too for a change of state, but I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait here because I also want to wait for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. it's right here. We might have even a little retap, but I don't think so. If this is the move, guys, if this is the retrace of the move, guys, this definitely has to, or most likely has to hold. I'm not gonna risk a lot, guys. I'm just gonna be patient. What time is it? 10:04. Again, I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. Or even a 3. Yeah, 3 is fine. Airlines. I'm just gonna wait. Once we have a closure below here, guys, I'm probably gonna get in. We already have a new order block, and it'll probably look like something like this. Stop loss is above 79. Probably just even this thing high. I'll probably keep it simple. And then this would be my draw. Well, I'll probably take one off at midnight. I'm gonna see how much I gotta calculate though. Stop loss probably would be here. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's scary. Oh no. I want to see us change stay here. Can I get a little early with a better risk reward? Sell limit. Yeah, it's pretty. Ugh. We'll just wait, guys. Yeah, so a good thing we had at least a CISD. If we could get a closure below, that'd be really nice. Again, it is Monday, so it's like, bruh, I'd rather not. 150, it's way too much for me, in my honest opinion. Way too much. But it's from Monday at least, from Monday. For Tuesday, Wednesday, I start, well, especially Wednesday, Thursday, I start risking my risk again to like 300, 400, depending. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm just wait, guys, because there's no point in my opinion. We don't have a good R either way. It's by our side, bro. It's just so annoying. Nice closure here, though. Well. $185.25. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it, bro. Like, I just don't like it right now. And we're fucking bouncing off of thingy too, so that's really interesting for me. Which is like, I need some sort of manipulation, dude. I just can't get into it like that. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it, bro. Like, I gotta go to work soon and stuff, so it's like. The only thing I don't like about is this working. I just don't like the wrist too much here, bro. It's not. It's too much. I only want to risk like $50 or $60. Yeah, I probably want to take it, but it's too high. The risk. The risk not worth it. Yeah, I'd rather not wait. I'd rather not take it. Also, I don't even know if we have news today. Yeah, I don't. We have news tomorrow. I'll probably take that, bro. I'm serious. I don't care. I'm gonna just get ready. I can't risk 150 on a Monday, bro. I'm sorry. Especially on a no news Monday. Oh, time highs already hit. Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm thinking about it. Hold up. guess it'll be for our thing too. And I'll probably take this entry. But I need to see this first to get thingy. I need to change the state for sure. We're below 10, which is good, but I'm waiting to see what it does here. We have to just take previous day, week low. I want to see a closure below that, not just working. Nah, I'm not gonna take it. Fuck. I'm not gonna take it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all for me. We already got previous week low too, so it's like either that or I move my stop loss really freaking quick. I'm good. I'm gonna let it go. 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 Cause fuck it. 5 AM closure would be freaking beautiful here. I'm not gonna lie. But this could be not even affording us yet. If it would have closed a little bit more bearish, then yeah, sure. Oh yeah, now I'm good. Ugh. I'm good, bro. I'm good.